I'd just be sitting there waiting for somebody to come by so I could
He's probably out there in the back of the woods where I saw him.
Where you at? I'll take it back. Yeah, dressing up on the side of the bush right here, and he was standing right there. I was like, I feel bad for shooting him, but.
Oh wait, somebody up there. Straight off from the back.
Here. Shoot his ass. I can't believe he's in the woods now. Damn, camera has light.
It sure does. Right side.
Go over here. Go over here.
He's in the back. Friendly. About to pop you. Ian, that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, good. Where are you at?
He's in the where? Where's he at?
I don't know.
Hello? Is that him right there?
Whereabouts?
Right there, behind you.
Enemy? Friendly? Yeah, he's friendly. This guy right here. Friendly.
Motherfucker, good job taking his bus, guys.
Dan, if I lit you up, I'm sorry, man. You were hauling ass, and I was like, oh shit.
Someone hit me in the leg. Two times in the leg and one time in the chest.
Well, first you're going to hit him on the right side, then you hit him on the left side.
Put that damn mask on.
I got the last one coming. They gonna come.
I mean, I heard movement, and I didn't know if it was guys alive, dead, what. I mean, I didn't know if somebody was getting out.
You can't tell because it's so big and dark.
Who is it?
Who's the guy we're looking for?
I don't know. We killed the guy with the Marpad camo.
I think I killed the guy that was Hunter. I think I killed him because you know, he kind of finished on point blank.
I'll try and point me.
Shane said that was all of them. So that was all of them. Yeah.
What?
That's all of them. Desk again.
Come on, cameraman.
It's crazy.